Hello everyone and welcome to the video today. My name is Elizabeth, and in today's video I'm just going to share with you one of the apps that I use to earn extra money by buying groceries. It's called Fetch Rewards, and I recently did a blog about it, just right here. This is my website if you didn't know. So I'll leave a link and you can read all about that there, but I'm going to go over it with you briefly on this video. So it's called Fetch Rewards, and all it is it's a way that you can earn points that you can redeem for gift cards, for cash, and other things, just by buying groceries. So if you buy groceries on a regular basis, which I'm pretty sure a majority of us do, you're going to want to download this app. It's available in the App Store and on Google Play. So I'll just run through with you how exactly it works if you're not familiar. Basically, all you're going to do is go to the grocery store, buy your groceries as usual, and then you're going to scan the receipts when you get home. All you have to do is take a picture of your receipt, and you'll get rewarded for the things that you've bought. I will let you know that if you haven't bought anything that's on the so-called list for that week or for that time period, you'll still get 25 points just for scanning in your receipt. So always do it. I mean, you never know. Just go ahead and do it, and before you know it, you'll earn a lot of points just for scanning in a receipt. Okay, here's how you earn points. Here's how you're gonna earn more points, I should say. You're gonna get 25 points for scanning in a receipt, but if you want to get a whole lot of points, you're going to purchase any of the participating products. Okay, and all you have to do is on the app, you can scroll through it and see what's available, and how many points they're going to give you. So here's an example. It would actually have a brand name, so maybe like Lay's potato chips. It says tortilla chips here, but maybe it was like, this is one that I recently had, was Lay's potato chips, and it was going to give you 12,000 points, okay, if you bought that. A certain type of deodorant is going to give you 750 points, for instance. Ice cream, 1,000 points. So this is where you're going to really earn and rack up a lot of points, is by buying the particular products. You don't have to. Okay, a lot of times I just go ahead and purchase what I'm going to be purchasing anyway, and I go and scan my receipt when I get home, and it turns out I happen to buy a product. I didn't really even know it, and I get, 1,000 points. Other times I will specifically look to see what products are being offered at the time, and I'll go find those and purchase those, especially if it's something that my family uses anyway. So for instance, a couple days ago, I happened to notice that I could get 12,000 points for buying Lay's potato chips, and I believe it was 1,000 points for Gatorade products. And those are two things that my son always wants. So I always try to buy those. So I was like, perfect. I will also let you know that you don't have to, say, click on that product before you go buy it. You just have to go buy it. Some of the other websites and apps like Ibotta, and there's another one, I can't think of the name of it, but some of the other websites that are like this, they make you kind of commit to that's what you're going to buy before you actually go purchase the product. This doesn't do that, and that's one reason I like this one so much. If you just happen to buy the product, scan your receipt in, end of story. You don't have to scan a barcode. You don't have to do anything, just the receipt. So it's real simple. Okay, that's it. You scan your receipt, earn points, and then you're going to get your rewards. And I'll show you some of the rewards. Like I said, you can earn gift cards and other things. Here's a list of all the things they offer, so you can go through here, and most of them are gift cards and things like that. So for instance, here's some restaurant ones. We got Applebee's, BJ's, Burger King, Buffalo Wild Wings, Chili's, everything. Retail, Adidas, Amazon. This is the one I use the most, is I get Amazon gift cards here. And it doesn't show you on here, but it only takes 3,000 points to get a $3 Amazon gift card. And I believe it's 5,000 for a $5, which is not that hard to do. You saw that if you bought tortilla chips, you got 1,500 points. I mean, that's halfway there. So it's actually a really good app to use. You can also, I mentioned cash earlier. It's not really cash. It's more of like these prepaid Visa card kind of things. So you can, this is also an availability as well. So beyond that, I would just tell you a couple of tips that I would recommend is, like I said, always scan any of your receipts, even if you don't think you purchased anything in particular. You're going to get 25 points. And second tip is if you download the app and sign up, and there's a place where you can enter a code. I'll leave my code in the link in the description right next to the link for the app. And if you use that code, you're going to get 2,000 points immediately just for signing up, okay? So you're pretty close to earning $3 already. So that's a good way to get yourself started. And also, you can also invite friends, and they can enjoy it as well, and you'll get some of their points when they sign up. Okay? So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you download this app and use it, and that you're able to, you know, get a lot of points and save some money at the same time. It's a kind of a different way of saving money, but it's an awesome way at the same time. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.